Alright guys, finally I got these from Amazon. They took quite a while, but I got them here. Actually, one got delayed over the other, but I'll tell you later. The Vivo X5, the Vivo XL5. I know probably some of you guys seen a lot of videos on YouTube, but this is my version of the same phone. So I opened them. Usually they just have the same things as the other phones that BLU ships, your brick and your cases and whatnot. But let's get to the phones though. Vivo X5, 5.7-inch display. This one's Vivo XL5, 6.3 display. Same storage and RAM, it's just the battery and the size are different. So this one has a removable battery, as you can see. That's what makes it different, but it's not that much that you get, 2800 milliamp. But for those of you guys that like having a removable battery, then this might be a nice phone for you. So you take the case out and there you go, removable battery. That probably means that if BLU has replacements, you could actually get another battery and then just swap this one out. It's really a matter of preference, but it's still a nice phone. Though 5.7-inch, little smaller now. Now this one, it's a 6.3-inch non-removable battery, has a whopping 4000 milliamp hour battery. Same kind of leather casing in the back, as you can see. And right now I'm not ready to put them side to side, but I'll be getting ready with them. So this is the unboxing of the Vivo X5 and the Vivo XL5. Stay tuned and I'll get these rolling, and that way you could see how they compare. Pretty much the same thing. Like I said, it's just the display size, how it looks, and battery size. Either way, you're getting good phones. These are good buys. I want to call them the best buys of 2019. There's one more coming out, but I'll do that one later once I get my hands on it. Thanks for watching.